Did you get some hot chocolate?
Yeah.
All right, beach, day 2. Got the fam, headed to the beach. We're doing our favorite thing, going to the market. We're doing market lunch. Grab some bread, grab some something, should get some cheese. A little European lunch, except in Oregon. So we were gonna make lunch, but then they have their own sandwiches.
They made it for us.
So, a lot easier. Okay, I think we're going to the national park now, right?
Yes.
National park. Welcome to
Ecola State Park.
Hopefully we have a view. It was a little misty earlier.
A little foggy back there, but
We should be able to see Canon Beach from here. Welcome to Indian Beach, right down the road from Canon Beach, maybe a 10-minute drive. And there's my wife. Parkour! Alright, shopping's done. I got nothing. She got some things. I think we're gonna eat some casual dinner in the house and relax early. Head to Seattle tomorrow. See you tomorrow.
we're gonna watch the Goonies.
Apparently we're watching the Goonies. Okay, bye.